Now with the Java 1.8, you can also provide the default method and static methods in an interface. For example, here you can see as per the definition of the interface, we can only give the virtual methods, means the abstract methods, the non-implemented methods. But with the Java 1.8, you can also define the default method, any numbers of default methods with a definition, with a concrete default method. For example, I want to create a method that comes in the interface, although means it break the rule of the interface, but with the Java 1.8 we can do this. See, default, you need to use a default keyword, and here I'm going to create a method, let's say my new method here, and here I'm just using the curly braces. That means I'm giving a concrete method. So this is possible, you can do it. You can create n number of default methods and you can call it. This method is going to be default. You can pass the parameter, let's say passing para. Here let's say it's taken int I. So this is also possible, and let me try to print it. Here you can type any type of logic, and here it comes in this way, let's say inside my new method, and here let me try to print the same here, okay, inside passing para here, and as you can see here, let me print the value of I. You can also, other than this, you can create a static method so that you can call this method directly by using friend interface. Let's say the static void, okay, my static static method here, okay. You can also pass the parameter, whatever you can do the method, you can do it here, and let's say system.out.println here, okay, inside static method. Now here we didn't need to implement the behavior here. Why? Because we have already implemented the abstract methods, all right. And now when we come back here in the test class, and let me call this method. See, this method is not available in the anonymous inner type, but if I called here friends dot you can say friends dot passing para, if I pass here the value, let's say 2, and here friends dot some more methods are available, and these are the my new method and my static method. So I will use my new method and friends dot my static something, okay. You can use static friend dot, you can see static, what is the name here, static void my static method, okay. Let me run it this one and we will deal with it later. So when I run it here, my friend, you can see you will have this, everything is added. You can also override, this method if you want. Try it out. Let me try to override the method, that is at the rate override here, and here I will just try to override the method. That method name is passing para here, okay. And here you can see change the method visibility to public, okay. I will change it to public, and here it look like this, and override at the rate override. So you can also override if you want to implement something new, you can override it. And let me run it. See, it will work as the same, all right. Now about the static method, and we are having one static method. That means you can call this static method directly. So how I can do it? I will just call the interface name dot see the my static method, and we can also do it, I think, friends dot my, okay. You can call the static method directly, okay. So this is how now it will run the static method also. So this is all about the interface, and we will talk about some more important topic in Java in upcoming chapters.